Oh, I need to go to the grocery store, but before I do that, I should definitely clean out my fridge. I know I have some things that I think I need to get rid of. Also help me make my list. Alright, so let me first check some expiration dates. So that syrup is bad. Oh yeah, the hummus is definitely bad. Probably needed to get rid of that last time. Let's see, okay, the yogurt's still good. So I don't need that. I do need to get rid of these leftovers because they've been here longer than a week. Okay. Now that I've found everything that's expired, I should probably wipe down the inside. Make sure I get everything. Okay. So now that I've cleaned out my fridge, I got things to throw away. Now I can go make my list for the grocery store.